Thank you for watching this video review. This is actually going to be a different one. I normally do coffee reviews. I am an avid coffee drinker, as many of you know that have been watching my reviews. But today, I am going to be reviewing a tea. I haven't done hot tea in quite a while, but I am actually reviewing I believe it's pronounced Bigelow English Breakfast Black Tea. And actually, I got this, I had a family member staying in a hotel down in Key West. I believe it's 24 degrees north is what the hotel is called. Of course, many of you know I live in South Florida, so family was visiting down on in Key West. I got this from them. They pulled the tea. They know I have a Keurig and I do reviews, so I figured I would do a review on it. So first of all, I want you to subscribe. I want you to like the video. I want you to share it with your friends. I want you to connect below with us on our social media channels. So I'm going to go brew it in my Keurig. All the links will be below if you want to purchase the tea or the Keurig, and then I will be back with my review of it.
Welcome to the channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I want to bring you this review on this service or product. We enjoy bringing you our opinion on what we think of different products and services. We do ask you to subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. We appreciate having you here. We hope you enjoy this review video, and we look forward to bringing you more info. So make sure you share. So, let's get on to our product or service we're offering.
Okay, I am back, and let's just go ahead and I'll just kind of show you what I've got. I've got the cup. One of the things that I always do, I'm doing this like I do a cup of coffee. I brew it on the smallest setting because I like strong coffee. So I figured, let me do the strong tea. So I have never tasted it, and I will have a disclaimer. I'm not a huge tea drinker anyway, but I'm doing it black like I do coffee also. Okay. I'll admit it's not as bad as what I was expecting. It actually tastes fairly well. It's the black tea. It actually has a nice smooth taste. It actually tastes better than the times I've tasted Lipton tea warm. It actually is growing on me. Of course, I like black coffee, so doing this black. In fact, just to show you that I did do it. There's one to show you the hole that I did use the pod. It's pretty good, and if you're a tea drinker, I guess I would say go for it. I was actually, to be honest, I have a screen pulled up, and I'll have the Amazon link. And I was actually questioning myself because I am not a big tea drinker at all. I'm just being very honest. So what I will do, I'll go ahead to the screen and show you where you can get the tea. I'll have the link in the description. If you are a huge tea drinker, go for it. Not that I'm not going to buy any more. Of course, as you have been watching this video, it was given to me. But I am really surprised, to be honest. I'm really surprised it tastes as good as what it does. So we're going to go to the screen. I'll show you. I'll have the link in the description, and we'll show you about the tea. So, okay, we have the tea here. It is the Bigelow family tea blender since 1945. And just to kind of give you a little background, I'll kind of put a plug in for Twinings. last year, my wife and I were over in London. We were over in London. Sorry about my English there. We were over in London. And we actually got to see that place, the Twinings. Twinings Tea is the oldest tea company in the world, and their little place there is still going. So tea has kind of started becoming. My wife has been interested in tea, so when I see anything with tea, I kind of take notice. Like I said, I'm not a huge tea drinker. That's just a little history of why I'm kind of connected with tea. So Bigelow 6080 English breakfast teacups. You can get a 24 box. Again, I'll have the link in it. Let's see let's see if it has any reviews. Okay, there's a question. How much caffeine? It says 30 to 60 milligram. Doesn't seem to have, okay. Here's a review. Much better than Twining. Huh. In fact, I hadn't even seen this. Twining is the oldest tea company. When I don't feel like making a pot of tea in the morning, I use my Keurig. I've been using Twining breakfast tea, but find it really strong. Of course, I like strong coffee, even on the largest size. This person says this is much better than Twining. This one says it tastes great. This one says great taste and value. And they say, I don't drink tea often. So there is kind of a mixed reviews, but you can go ahead and purchase it, 24 count, 96 count, or you can get just the for $13.89. Yeah, this is a 24 count. So figured I'd let you know. And so I want to come back and say thank you for watching my review videos. And if you would like, and I'm asking you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, connect with us on our social media channels below in the description. I will leave the affiliate link, and I'm being very transparent, affiliate link to the tea, to the Keurig, and the links in the description. And if you have a tea or a coffee you'd like us to review, please comment, give a link, and we will try to follow up with you and do the review. Thank you again for watching. We will see you on the next video.